Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how you can recover your lost or deleted Facebook page on your Facebook account. So without wasting any moment, let's start. Facebook page is a place where you can express your creativity and interact with a similar type of audience. In case you have deleted your Facebook page by mistake, then you can restore it from your Facebook account settings. But before we do that, let's find your lost Facebook page. If you think your Facebook page has disappeared from your profile, then don't worry. You can access your lost Facebook page by following these steps. First, open your Facebook account on your PC or phone's app. Then click on the hamburger icon over your profile picture. Now, you will see your Facebook pages under your shortcuts. Then tap on the Facebook page and select the switch button. With that, you'll be redirected to the Facebook page. In case you can't find your lost Facebook page under your shortcuts, then tap on the See More button. Next, scroll down to Pages. With this, you will see a list of all the existing pages on your Facebook account. Finally, tap on the Facebook page you were looking for and select the switch button to access your lost Facebook page. How to recover your deleted Facebook page? Now, I will tell you how you can recover your deleted Facebook page on your account. If you delete a Facebook page from your account, then Facebook will give you 30 days to restore your deleted Facebook page. But keep in mind that missing the 30-day recovery window will result in permanent deletion of your Facebook page, which will be irreversible. Whereas the deactivated Facebook page do not have such a recovery limitation. You can reactivate it whenever you want. During this period, your Facebook page will not be visible to all the connected users, and no messages or media will be exchanged. If you fall within the recovery period, then using these steps, you can get your deleted Facebook page recovered. First, log into your Facebook and go to your Facebook account menu by tapping on the hamburger icon. Then select the gear icon to open Settings and Privacy. After this, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and select the Pages option with the flag icon. By doing this, a new page will appear on your phone screen. Tap on the View button and you will be able to see your deleted or deactivated Facebook pages, including the remaining days before your deleted Facebook page is permanently deleted. Finally, click on the Reactivate button to recover the deleted Facebook page. Similarly, you can reactivate your temporary deleted Facebook page using the same steps. Now, let's retrieve the hacked Facebook page from your Facebook account. If you think your Facebook page has been compromised, then you can regain access to your hacked Facebook page by changing the password of your Facebook account. You can update your Facebook account's password by following these steps. First, go to Settings and Privacy by tapping on the Settings icon from your Facebook account's menu page. Next, select Account Center and tap on Password and Security. Then select Change Password. After this, select your Facebook account to update the password. Now, enter your current password and type and retype your new password. Finally, tap on the Change Password button to recover your hacked Facebook page. Bear in mind, the above explained process will only work if you are logged into your Facebook page. However, if you don't have access to your hacked Facebook page, then visit facebook.com/hacked on your phone browser and click on the My Account is Compromised button. Next, enter your registered phone number or email address that you used to create your Facebook account and Facebook page. Then enter the password and select the Login button. Next, follow the instructions to restore the hacked Facebook page. It's time for some bonus tips to keep your Facebook page and account safe from accidental deletion or unauthorized access. First suggestion is to regularly change your password and make sure that you have signed out from other devices. Moreover, do not log into your Facebook page on a public computer or a stranger's phone. The second and the most important piece of advice is to enable two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. With this feature, you can get login updates from other devices. If someone tries to gain unauthorized access to your Facebook page or account, then you will get a notification through SMS about the device information and location of the device. In case you have not signed in from that device, then you can decline the login request and update your Facebook account's password. This can be done by following these steps. First, sign into your Facebook account and open Settings and Privacy. Then tap on the Privacy Checkup. Next, select how to keep your account secure and tap on Continue. Now, toggle on the Turn on Alerts and then select the Next button. After this, you can change your Facebook password by tapping on the Change Password or selecting the Skip button. Then tap on the Get Started button to open Two-Factor Authentication for your Facebook page. Next, select a security method from the given options and tap on Continue. After this, select your phone number, or you can add another number to get the verification codes and select the Continue button. By doing this, a 6-digit code will be sent to your registered phone number. Now, enter the code and finally tap on the Continue button. With this, your Facebook page and account will be equipped with Two-Factor Authentication. You can reactivate a deleted Facebook page within the deletion period, which is limited to 30 days only. However, deactivating your Facebook page do not have any limitations for the recovery period. You can reactivate it whenever you want using the same steps as recovering a deleted Facebook page. That's all for today. If you found this video informative, then drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.